Before we stitch the perimeter of the fabric, if you're using a magnetic needle minder, it's a good idea to take it off because it just gets in the way at this stage. So what we're going to do is, using the guide that we've already drawn on the fabric, we're going to come in from the back of the fabric and pull the floss, but not all the way through. We don't have a knot on this thread, so we want to just hold it with our finger and leave a piece hanging in the back because we're going to use that in a later step. And then using our marker on the front, we're going to go back down through the fabric. And then again, making sure we still have that piece of floss hanging from the back, and then come up at the next marker. And we're just going to repeat this process until we go all the way around the perimeter of the fabric.